Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to enable dark mode on Instagram updated version. So as you can see, I'm currently onto my Instagram account already and I'm currently onto a light mode. To go ahead and turn this onto dark mode, here onto the settings of your Instagram account, I don't think there is an option yet to go ahead and do a dark mode on here. So let's try to search here. And I don't think there is an option yet here to go ahead and turn this to dark mode. But what we could do in here is to go ahead and turn the device onto a dark mode so that Instagram would be on a dark mode as well. For us to be able to do so, let's head on to the settings of my device. Right after, scroll down until you find in display and brightness. So we're currently onto the light. In appearance, let's move that to dark. And as you can see, it turned the dark mode onto my device. And if we head back again here on Instagram, it also did a night mode or dark mode in here. And that is how easy you could enable dark mode on Instagram, the updated version. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.